Hi, today we are comparing two popular smartphones, the Google Pixel 9, this is the new flagship smartphone from Google, and the iPhone 14, the 2-year-old iPhone. Let's take a closer look of their features and differences to help you decide which one suits your needs best. Design and build. So both the Pixel 9 and Pixel 14 features sleek premium designs. The Pixel 9 has modern look with a camera bar on the back, while the iPhone 14 maintains Apple's signature design with that edge notch for the front camera. Both phones use high-quality materials, with the Pixel 9 offering Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and the iPhone 14 featuring a ceramic shield front and glass back. So, displays. As you can see, Pixel's screen is blinking. It's not too safe for your eyes. Unfortunately, it has no DC dimming and it's blinking really much. I don't know why they don't want to add DC dimming feature on their device. On iPhones, it works automatically from the box. So Pixel 9 sports a 3.3-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1080 to 2424 pixels and a refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, providing smooth scrolling and vibrant colors. The iPhone 14, on the other hand, has 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 1170 to 2532 pixels and a peak brightness up to 1200 nits. So it's entering really excellent visibility even in bright conditions. So under the hood, so what about performance? Of course, here we have 60 Hz display. You need to know about it because on iPhones, only in Pro, iPhone 14 Pro, you have 120 gigahertz screen. So because of it, if you trying to scroll something, it will not be too smooth like on Pixel device. As you can see, the screen is really smooth here. Cool. So what about performance? Under the hood on the Pixel is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip with 12 GB of RAM designed to handle light tasks efficiently. The iPhone 14 uses Apple A15 Bionic chip with 6 GB of RAM, known for its fast performance and energy efficiency. Both devices offer excellent performance, but the Pixel 9 may have an edge in AI-driven features. So I want to explain it. So of course, this device gives you more performance in games, for example, in apps. But what about AI features? In September, Apple will not enroll new AI features built in the system for iPhones 14, just because this chip can't handle with AI on the system without the drive, without the cloud performance. Okay, so but Pixel can, and all AI features are work in Pixel in this processor on this RAM. So here we have too little RAM to have AI working in background. So what about cameras? So the Pixel 9 features a dual camera system with a 50 megapixels main sensor and 48 megapixels ultra-wide lens, along with a 32 megapixels front camera. It offers advanced photography features like night shift and super res zoom. iPhone 14 also has a dual camera setup with 12 megapixels wide and ultra wide lenses and a 12 megapixels front camera supporting features like night mode and cinematic mode for videos. But so of course Pixel camera is better. Of course it's better. I wanna take a photo right now. Is it clean? I need to clean the cameras. Wait a moment. I have screen protector on a Pixel and on iPhone device. So cool. And let's take a little compare between these two photos. So, oh my gosh, so sorry guys. The screen is too bright for you. Okay, so as you can see, we just can see that here on the Pixel device, we just have better camera, and that's it. So camera is better. So here we have 48 megapixels, here we have 12 megapixels. And because of it, selfies will look better, more with more sharpness, with ability to zoom in these photos, just because this camera is better. But what about colors? So of course, like you like. So if you like iPhone colors, so maybe you will prefer this image. If you like Android colors, so you will prefer this image. Of course, you can edit this photo more than this, just because this photo offers more information, more digital information, and you can edit it just because the quality of this photo is better. That's it. So as you can see on the background, we have the same bad situation, but on Pixel is better because here we have the dynamic range really advanced comparing to iPhone. Okay, so what about battery? So Pixel 9 is equipped with 4700 mAh battery supporting 27 watts wired and 21 watts wireless charging. The iPhone 14 has smaller 3279 mAh battery, but supports fast charging and offers decent battery life. So even when we have a smaller battery on iPhone, it will work sometimes even longer just because of system and optimization. Because on Android devices optimization is not too good, and just because of it, iPhone can handle these more processes during the day and live longer, just because of optimization of applications. So Pixel 9 also includes reverse wireless charging, a feature not available on the iPhone 14. It's available only on iPhone 15 and even with different cuts in this topic. So what about software and features? So Pixel 9 runs on Android 14. Of course, it's offering a range of specific features and promise of 7 years of software updates. So it will get even Android 21. So on iOS 17 providing a seamless and secure user experience with Apple's ecosystem. iPhones getting updates during 5 years after rolling out. So it was 2 years ago. So we have 3 years to use our iPhones. So conclusions, both devices, Pixel 9 and iPhone 14, are extended smartphones, each with its strengths. Of course, here we have USB Type-C, here we have Lightning. USB-C is more popular, and you can find USB-C charger everywhere, but with Lightning sometimes you can have problems. So Pixel 9 offers a little bit larger display, as you can see, advanced AI features, and a more versatile camera system, while the iPhone 14 provides a robust performance with its A15 Bionic. It's really better for normal tasks. A well-integrated ecosystem. Your choice will ultimately depend on your preferences for Android or iOS and the specific features that matter most to you. So, thanks for watching, and I hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye. See you.